How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. First, before I begin, I want to thank everyone for sticking around. I know it's been a while since I put up a video. Also want to thank the new subscribers, my new subscribers that have come along. I really appreciate you guys being here. I'm glad you're here and you want to learn, you want to see more technology such as the Shield and other things. I want to apologize that I haven't uploaded a video in a while. It has been, I don't recall, a couple weeks, maybe a whole month, I don't know. But the reason behind that is because I've been moving. For my long-term subscribers, you guys probably saw that I mentioned, or heard that I mentioned, that I was moving, and I was, and I've relocated. This is the new office. I'll show more of it once it's completed. Right now, I'm still in the setting up stages. The move went well. It took longer than I thought due to my wife, myself, and my kid getting sick the first week of us moving, so that definitely put a strain on how quickly I was able to move. Also, I didn't have many people to assist because it was so sudden, but I was able to get it done, and we are moved, we are relocated. Regular videos will be coming out once again. I'm going to be doing Shield videos, going to be doing much more. I got a lot of things planned that I want to talk about, and we relocated from a big city to a small city. And the reason I chose to move to a small city, which is my hometown, is Faulks Tech was growing pretty well in the town that I was in. It was becoming known, but in a big town, when you're trying to do a startup, it's really hard to branch out because there's other people that are also competing against you. And with me having to work a full-time job as well as do YouTube, there was really no time for me to really branch out and outdo the competition. So I made an executive decision to move back to my hometown. It's a small town in South Carolina, and I know pretty much everyone here, so it'd be much easier to branch out. They knew me, they knew my brand, and yeah. So that's why I picked a small town, my hometown, back to move into. And yes, I have updated to the newest version of the Shield. I do have version 8 right now, Oreo. I'll be doing videos on that soon. I'm still not set up to the point where I can do that right now, but I am making a huge focus, and I actually have time this week to get this done. So look forward to upcoming videos. Going forward, I do plan on sticking with my my normal schedule, which is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays, between 11 and 11:30. I'm going to be sticking to that. Once I get further settled in, I plan on doing more videos. But right now, starting out, I want to start with a minimal goal, like I did before. And now that I'm here where I'm at now, I'll be able to do much more. But we'll start there, and we'll see where that takes us. And again, if you're new here, I really appreciate you joining the family. Thanks for subscribing. Hope you guys like this video. And again, I'm going to have much more content coming out soon. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions that I didn't go over, I know this is a really short video, but if I didn't go over anything that you wanted me to address, leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.